This boiling crab sauce is the best sauce for Cajun shrimp boil. It's so flavorful, you'll use this recipe time and time again. Start by adding butter to a saucepan and melt that down. Add garlic, Old Bay seasoning, paprika, Cajun seasoning, sugar, oregano, cayenne pepper, chili powder, lemon pepper. Let this simmer for about 30 seconds so that all the spices become fragrant. Add Louisiana hot sauce and lemon juice, and then simmer this for about 5 minutes so that all the flavors come together. Serve this over your favorite seafood boil ingredients and enjoy. You can get the full printable recipe on saucefanatic.com.